Deputy Commissioner Priya Shinde has said that the exam originally scheduled for June 28, 2026 has been transferred as a precautionary step. She stated that the examination was set to be conducted across 1,728 centres in Maharashtra with over 6 lakh candidates registered to appear. Shinde added that a formal notification has already been issued and the students have been informed through the official website. Listen in.
28 जून 2026 को यानी कल होने वाली थी। ये जो थाने में हुआ है प्रकार, इसकी वजह से हमने पोस्टपोन की है। इस परीक्षा के लिए 1728 केंद्र थे, सेंटर्स थे। इस सेंटर्स पे पूरे महाराष्ट्र में 6,125 स्टूडेंट्स थे जो इस परीक्षा में प्रविष्ट होने वाले थे। टीचर्स एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ये एग्ज़ाम है। टीचर होने के लिए जो पात्रता है, ये टीचर पात्रता परीक्षा है, ये कल होने वाली थी। और इसमें ये जो उम्मीदवार प्रविष्ट होने वाले थे उनके कल हम परीक्षा लेने वाले थे, लेकिन वो पोस्टपोन की है। नहीं, पोस्टपोन तो हमारा डिक्लेरेशन हो चुका है। हमने ये प्रकटन भी निकाला है, वो वेबसाइट पे भी है और स्टूडेंट्स को भी सबको पता चला है कि परीक्षा पोस्टपोन हो चुकी है। उन्हें पैनिक होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। वो अपनी स्टडी जारी रखें। उनको फिर से रजिस्ट्रेशन करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं।
All right, Shweta continues to be with us on the broadcast. Shweta, the statement that has been issued clearly is informing us that candidates have been informed on time by the official website. And as a precautionary measure, they've had to postpone the examination that was set to take place on 28th June. Give us the details.
Well, that's right. In fact, just a short while back, we have heard from DCP Priya Shinde, where she stated that the exam which was going to happen tomorrow, that is on 28th of June 2026, that has been postponed by seeing what has happened in Bhiwandi, where 3 people have been arrested in relation with the TET exam paper leak. And she also stated that, however, the investigation is going on, but as far as the teachers eligibility test 2026 is concerned, more than 6 lakh students were going to appear for this exam, and 1,728 centers across Maharashtra were put up. But as a precautionary measure, now the paper is postponed, and she also stated that students do not have to reapply for the examination, but she also stated that students do not have to panic, and the new exams date would be announced soon.
All right, Shweta, thank you for sharing all those details.